Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a $1 account and take it up to over $1,000 trading that $1. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the power of compounding. So we're going to take a dollar, and then if we win, we're just going to put all the winnings back in and trade again. And as you can see, you know, we're compounding. It's the eighth wonder of the world. It really is. So we've got a dollar trading here at the moment. Now, if you're interested to learn this sort of stuff, then below the video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to this page. Click the link. You can pop your name and your email address in, and I'll send you my free video training. It's completely free. So let's see if this trade comes in. Now, if this trade comes in, we're going to take all the winnings and we're going to put it on the next trade. So this is looking pretty good. Doesn't look like it's going to lose, and it's got $1.92 now. So we're going to take the $1.92 and we're going to put that on the next trade. Now, the indicators that I'm using on the screen here are, I think, are the best indicators for this type of strategy. Got another pattern come in there. And again, like I say, if you want to learn this sort of stuff, then all you need to do is click the link below the video, come over to this page, pop your name and your email address in, and I'll send you all the details and send you the free videos. So this looks like a promising trade as well. And remember, you know, so we've got 369 there, so we're going to put this all on. Now, remember with this, if I lose now, I've only lost $1, haven't I? You know, that's the risk here. I could lose $1. But this strategy is great. If you want to learn this, click the link, come and put your name and your email address in that page, and I'll send you my free videos. So with this strategy, now this price has got to go down. We're looking for this to go down, and we got that. So we're now up to $7.08. We're going to put all the money on. You might think this is stressful, but it's not. This trading that I did here was an hour's trading. I normally do about an hour a day, and I've condensed it into 8 minutes. Now, what I've done was when I get a trade that comes on the screen, I leave it on the screen so that you can see the complete trade. I don't want to only let you see the winnings. I want you to see the full trade. And this trade here is pretty tight, I must admit. This is a pretty tight. Now, you could lose out here, and then you'd have to start again with $1. So then your risk would be $2, wouldn't it, you know? But this is a tight trade, but we're okay. It's come in, so we're now $13.59, and I found another trade on here. This is a nice big strong green candle, so I'm not late to the party here. This is, you can see there's two green candles there. I've got these little dots at the bottom of the screen there that show me that the price is going to go in my direction. $26. Going to put all that back on again. And we're going to go into the next trade. Now, if you want to learn this stuff, click the link below the video, pop your name and your email address in, and I'll send you my free video training course. I've got a series of videos that shows you how to set all this up, and you can test it with demo. But to be honest, you're risking a dollar, aren't you? You know, what's that, 80 pence, something like that. I've got that one. So we're now at $50.09. We're going to put that on again. And I'm going to look for another trade. I've got one here. I'm just waiting for this one. Yep, we're in. The two dots at the top there came in. If you want to learn this stuff, like I keep saying, link below the video. Click that. It's going to take you over to this page where you can pop your name and email address in, and I'll send you my free video training. So again, if this trade comes in, I'm going to put all the winnings back on the next trade. Now, obviously, when it's at $50, if you get nervous or anything like that, you can take your money and run, can't you? You know, but I want to show you that you can get up to $1,000. So I'm up to $96.17. Going to put all of that back on. And again, my risk here is $1, ain't it? You know, it's just a $1 risk. And if you want to learn this stuff, click the link below, pop your name and your email address in on this page, and I'll show you how to do this training with my free video training course that I've got. So this trade here looks like we're going to get, this is pretty certain. Look at them three lovely green candles there. And again, what I'm going to do with this trade, if it comes in, which I think it's going to, you know, it's pretty certain. It's got a, I can't see this losing. I really can't. That candle's pumping right up, which is what we want it to do. And then we're up to $184. Now, a lot of people would finish trading here, and I've finished trading myself on trades like this. Think, yeah, $184 for a, you know, half an hour or 40 minutes trading. That's not a bad income, is it? But I want to show you that you can take a $1 account up to over $1,000. And I'm just going to show you this. That look, we got $354 now. And again, a lot of people would take that $354. If you want to learn this stuff, click the link below. Come over to this page, pop your name and your email address in, and I'll send you my free video training on how to do this. So we want this trade to come in. This is when it gets a little bit nervous for some people. But I think if once you learn this strategy, you'll find it's very, very stress-free. And you're only risking $1. That's the great thing about it. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, and you know, you should always do your own risk management, your own due diligence, that type of thing. But I'm just showing you what works for me, and I want to show it can work for you as well. So we're up to $680 now, and this is where it gets really interesting, because it's a lot of money to risk, isn't it? You know, it's a lot of money to risk, and a lot of people would be very nervous at this stage, but I've only risked $1, haven't I? I put $1 in of my own money, so I've only risked $1, and I could take that money out at any point I want. I don't have to keep doing these trades, but I wanted to make this video to show you that you could get $1 to over $1,000 and trade for about an hour, because that's what I traded here. My entire trades that I'm doing here is about an hour. Where I analysed the charts. So I've got $1,306 there. So, you know, that's over 13. And my risk was $1. That's the beauty of this. Now, if you had 10 attempts at this, you'd only be risking $10. Now, I got 11 wins in a row and got me over $1,300. Absolutely mind-blowing. If you want to learn this stuff, you want to learn how to trade, click the link below. It's going to take you over to this page where you can pop your name and your email address in, and I'll send you my free video training. You have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.